restaurant? This is the farm restaurant. You know why we came to the farm restaurant today? That's right. It's Farm Animal Days. Yeah.
Your food is so nice.
Well, that looks nice. You know what? You know what else today is? It's croissant, but it's cinnamon croissant day. That's right. It's encourage young riders. Come on, guys. You can do it. Come on. Right. Yeah, come on. That's right. Yeah, come on. A W, an I, an R, an E-T. Yeah, come on. Hey, it's National Golfers Day. And check it out. I grow some mighty fine woods around here. You get it? Hey, Brooke, stop. You're not being safe. It's safety pin day. You're supposed to use one of these safety pins. Check it out. We got safety pins here. Keeps the ink from getting all over your hands. Hey, see, sir, you're right. How you doing? Yeah. You got to be safe, you know.
Hi, I'm Ian, and today is National Sibling Day. And I'm Josh. I'm from Hollywood. Yeah.
How was it, John? Who are you?
I'm your brother, Josh.
You can't be my brother. You're not wearing a Hillbilly hat. It was Sibling Day.
Today in 1970, the Beatles broke up when Paul McCartney said, "Dude, you can't touch us. I'm out of here."
Tomorrow's my birthday. You know I live, Josh, in case you want to drop something off.